guys, here is the roll-up banner. We just make the bag to it for it, so you guys have learned how you make this. Actually, I used a pattern of the one that is there before. I did not decide to cut anyone. I just take a few measurements and make it exactly the way it is before, where I use this brown material instead of the black that's it's the official material for it. So this is it so far. I hope you guys love this particular one, and you guys should be able to make something like this. On this channel we make a lot of stuff for you to learn. I even make a chair. I recycle a chair few weeks ago, but I didn't get to show that yet. I just show it in, I think, one of the monthly catch up. So guys, enough talking. For those of you who want to learn online training, it's pretty much available. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. From there you can chat with me. You can also follow our Instagram channel for more updates at School of Bag Making. Follow our Instagram channel for the luxury item at Okin Luxury, and follow the Light Bag Collection for all the items we have been making at the workshop so far. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.